Assalamu alaikum student, good morning. So we are starting with the goods and service tax, which is also known as GST. Introduction of goods and service tax. The goods and service tax GST is a value added tax, which is also known as in the bracket VAT, to be implemented in India from 1st of July 2017. So please remember that GST it was implemented in India on 1st July 2017. GST is comprehensive tax mechanism where in all major indirect taxes are clubbed into one, whether they are levied on service tax or goods, excise and VAT. One of the aims of introducing GST is to reduce the cascading effect of taxes, which is the primary focus of VAT. So GST is an indirect tax which is levied on goods and services. So you have to always remember GST is a new concept which has started from 1st July 2017 in India. It is nothing but a comprehensive tax, and it is a mechanism which is one of the most important, and it is levied together. Means it is clubbed together and formed up with one tax effect, which is nothing but GST. Now what is GST? India is having very complex tax system. It is almost impossible for new businesses and startups to understand this direct and indirect tax system. So things have changed now with the new goods and service tax, which is commonly known as GST. Now the next slide is existing indirect tax structure. It consists of central levies and state levies. Under central levies, we have custom duty, excise duty, service tax, central sales tax. Whereas in state levies, we have VAT, that is value added tax, luxury tax, electricity duty, entertainment tax, entry tax and octroi. Now we have to understand what exactly indirect taxes levies. So indirect taxes are levied by the central government as well as state government. You have to keep in mind indirect taxes is levied by central government as well as state government. Now under central government, firstly is the excise duty. Okay, excise duty is completely on the manufacturing of the goods, on the production of the goods, buying and selling of goods and services. Secondly, service tax. It is entirely on the services of goods. Thirdly, CGT. CGT means central government tax or central goods tax, you can say. It is entirely on the interstate sales. Interstate sales means outside India. Interstate sales, selling which is done there. Fourthly is custom duty. Custom duty is entirely on the imports of goods and services. Now, what do you mean by import? The goods are being taken from outside, from the international market. So that is custom duty is on imports. So this is nothing but central government. Okay. Now what comes under state government? Firstly is VAT. VAT full form is value added tax. It is on sales within states, within India, within states. Secondly is entertainment tax. Entertainment tax is on entertainment. Like for example, movie tickets. When we are going for seeing any show, you have to take the ticket, movie ticket. Okay, so that is nothing but entertainment tax. Secondly, luxury tax. Luxury tax is on luxury. Luxury, like for example, hotels. You're going there, like something like for room, resort and all rooms you're taking. So these all is centrally luxury tax. Fourthly is octroi or entry tax. It is on transfer of goods. Okay, so you have to remember central government as well as state government. So indirect taxes are levied by central government as well as state government. Now we can start with the next slide, that is components of GST. There are three components. First is CGST, which means Central Goods and Services. Second, SGST, which means State Goods and Services. Third is IGST, which means Interstate Goods and Services. Okay, so these are the three components of GST. You can see further three models of GST. First is central GST, second is state GST, and the third is dual GST. Now what do you mean by central GST? The GST which is to be levied by the center. State GST means GST to be levied by the state. And dual GST means it covers both. GST to be levied by the center and state. So we have done with the concept of GST. What exactly is the introduction of GST? What is GST? And what is the existing indirect tax structure of GST? On what indirect taxes are levied? And the components of GST. Thank you.